How to check software update on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a software update. Tap on a download and install. Now here you can check for app update available or not on your device. You can see your software is up to date on your device. Now go back. Also toggle on auto download over Wi-Fi. It will automatically download using Wi-Fi when available Wi-Fi network on your device. Tap on the last update. Here you can see your last successfully software update on a Galaxy S24 and other Galaxy devices. One UI version, size and security patch level on a Samsung Galaxy S24 and other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.